Bank of America says game on. The firm upgrading the stock to a buy rating today based on an attractive content cycle. They see 20% upside ahead. It's our call of the day. Joe?
Well, listen, Take-Two Interactive has been the place to be. That's been on the back, obviously, of Grand Theft Auto and NBA 2020. That continues to be the leader. The entire industry, though, Electronic Arts, Activision, it's really right now facing the headwind of a lot of the free play, in particular what's coming from Fortnite. So, yes, you could make the case that if that headwind is going to dissipate, then the best sensitivity to that dissipating headwind is going to be enjoyed in Activision Blizzard. I am not sure, I'm not confident at all that that's the case. So that's where I think the content creation that Take-Two is providing for you is where, in a concentrated bet, you want to be.
Quick trade in video games, Pete.
Yeah, this one makes a little bit of sense to me because of the fact they talk about the multiple being near the low end of multiple years. You look back, it seems cheap, and they love the slate. Now, I don't know enough about all the slates that come out from Mel and that whole world.
Ask Aaron.
But
Aaron's a huge
Aaron,
gamer.
you're probably a big gamer, right? I mean, there's no doubt about it. But it makes some sense to me now why they're making this call, and it makes a lot of sense given where everybody else is trading, where they are. They're very inexpensive.